Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2009 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuses to check in case one of your AC outlets is not working. So you have this 12 volt outlet right here, which is also like a cigarette lighter, and you have 115 volt outlet down here, which is part of the middle console. So in case any of those two is not working, I will show you which two fuses to check. Okay, so the fuse box on Jeep Compass is located under the front hood, just under this cover. To open it up, there are two clips on this side, here and here, so just wanna leave those up to get access to the fuses. And on the back side of the cover you'll also have a nice fuse diagram which can help you locate each fuse. So first you want to check fuse number 11, which is this blue one, 15 amp fuse. And the next one you want to check is fuse number 13, and this is this one right here, the 20 amp yellow fuse. So these two guys, this one and this one. And hopefully one of these fuses is burned, and just by replacing it you'll get everything fixed and good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel and help me expand it. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.